Look at these little guys, just waiting to zap me. I don't even see a nest, but they're sure sitting there looking right at me. Alright, we're going to fix them up. You can see right here where I walk in, right through here, and hop on my tractor. And these little dudes right here decided they wanted to zoom around and try to zap me. So, show y'all how to take care of a wasp problem without using wasp spray. This is y'all's first time to the channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, step one. Get a cup. And some dish soap. This is Dawn dish soap. Take your cup, your dish soap, come over here to the water faucet. You don't need much, just take your cup, doesn't matter if it's got a little tea left in it. Put about 5 drops in the bottom. Good and sudsy, just like that. We're going to take her back and give them a little bath. Okay, now that we got our water and our dish soap mix, we're going to give these wasps a bath and hopefully a long nap. So guys, there you go. That soap basically kind of suffocates them. And then you can wash your tools off afterward. Thanks for watching, guys.